Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, August 13th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, I still think there's a good chance this is the end of a correction up here on the daily time frame. If that is true, then this will be now in a downtrend. I mean, it will make bounces, but it will eventually go down and give us that break of structure. So most of this analysis is definitely based on the US dollar index. So in my opinion, I think we need to be looking for shorts on shorter time frames for sure. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, I definitely wouldn't be trying to go short right now, right up against this support area. If anything, maybe it will make a little bit of a bounce here. I am actually looking forward for to seeing it making a bounce, not to go long, but in order to go short at the end of the next three-way pullback, hopefully for the continuation of the downtrend. I think that we need to be patiently waiting for pullbacks and just continue to trade with the trend at least until the higher time frames tell us otherwise by giving us like a break of structure to the upside or something, which they obviously have not done yet. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.